Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I thought we could make some ephemera with scraps. So grab your scraps, grab some scissors. I have some note cards and some envelopes. So I was just gonna I have this bin of scraps and I have another bin next to me full of scraps, so I thought maybe we could decorate some envelopes to start out with. Just get some old envelopes. These are just from some old greeting cards, or I don't know, they're in my basement. So actually I'm gonna do this. Let's just collage and make stuff from our scraps. I don't have a plan, just kind of gonna go for it. So I'm just cutting this off. But who doesn't love a good scrap buster, you know? I have some stamps out, glue, scissors, scrap paper. That's about it. And then I'm just gonna see where it leads me. All right. Might need a little more glue under there. I don't normally do the back side, but I'll probably use some washi tape too, guys. We'll just go for it. Let's see. Collaging is one of my favorite things to do. So I thought maybe I would make some pieces with my scraps and collage. Let's see. You can use any glue that you want. I'm using art glitter glue because I have some thicker pieces of paper that I'm working with. So it seems to work the best. Anyways, what'd you guys do this weekend? Let me know in the comments where you're tuning in from. I haven't asked that in a long time. I love hearing about where you guys are coming from, where you're watching, how, oops, this needs a little more glue, where my channel has reached. I'm filming from good old Michigan. Let's see. So, it's very quiet today. It's gonna be hot today in the 80s. Your girl doesn't love the heat. I was thinking about planting some flowers. I have some planters on my deck. I haven't planted anything. I normally have a pretty big garden, but I haven't done that yet this year, so I'm thinking I might do that today. Do you guys, let me know if you guys garden. Gardening's so much fun. It's a lot of work, but it is fun. Let's see. What do I want? Kind of hadn't decided if I wanted it to be like mixed media or like vintagey looking, but I might do just kind of like a little bit of both. Why not? I love envelopes and pockets. I might make some pockets in a minute. We'll see. First I need to get this. I need a little more color on there. Maybe, let's see, actually. Might do. Trying to decide what I want to do here, guys. I'll do a little, book page is always great for filling in and then adding more color. Let's see. Oh, so I had an eventful weekend. Well, not much. I mean, I just worked all weekend. Let's see, I just need a little bit more paper. Because then I'm gonna, even if they have like the blunt sides to the paper, I might add some washi, so that'll help fix that look. Let's grab some washi. I love washi tape. I have so much washi tape, you guys. It's like crazy. Put some across here. I always use glue with washi because it just doesn't stick down very well. I was thinking about putting this somewhere on here, but it might blend too much, so let me see. Maybe this. I don't know yet. Right now I'm just trying to kind of fill it in. Let's see. Once you get the background filled in, then the fun starts. Oops, that's upside down. Shoot, shoot, shoot. All right, maybe some numbers. You could always stamp the numbers on, but if you have big numbers, I have these big number stamps. Okay, I want some more washi. I'm a sucker for this. I have this, you'll see in a second. It's a butterfly washi. Let's see. Maybe I'll put that on there. I have to hold that down for a second. That looks like it needs a little more glue. Sometimes I sew around the edges too when I'm done. Oops. Oh gosh, did I sew? I almost sealed that shut. I must have got moisture on there. Oh well, okay. Let's see. There we go. Okay, let's see what else. I got a stamp that says, what does it say? Discover. What does this one say? Happy? I don't know how well it's going to show up. A little bit. All right. Let's see. What did I do with that other stamp I wanted? This is like... I had a stamp I wanted to use and now I can't find it. Let me put my scraps back. It helps me stay organized. And it keeps wanting to stick, so maybe I better do that. That's why sewing does help with that. Keep these edges down. Okay. Let's see here. Some washi that I can actually get started. There we go. Kind of a funky envelope that can be, you know, clipped into the side of the journal. I'm good with that.